Hello guys, my name is Chef Duro. So we're gonna be doing a super best secret formula. So we need hot Cheetos and we need an avocado. And we need tahini, and we need, those tools what you use when you mash something up. So first, we are gonna not eat one of them or waste, but let's put them in. Okay, and now you already know it's the drill.
So hard.
More that shit, okay? Smash. Oh, fuck. Good. That red stuff, that's from this. Oh, almost got all of it out. Smash. Oh, this might take a long while. So, I had to pause the video because it was so hard to smash it. We're gonna have some hot seasoning. And then we're gonna add it in there. Okay, that's enough seasoning. And now we fry. That was so easy. It's easy. Okay, so we borrow this part with knife, and then we put it in. It looks delicious right now. Bomb.